This is the Tornado ACS, an eco-friendly and minimally abrasive cleaning technology that uses an innovative vacuum blast method without using high pressure, water or chemicals. Made in Germany by Sisteco Cleaning Technology, it's a perfect alternative to pressure washers, sandblasting and dry ice blasting. It can easily remove graffiti, devarnish and remove lacquer from surfaces. It can even safely take off nail polish in a jiffy as well. The Tornado ACS cleans in continuous circulation and uses negative pressure instead of high pressure. This vacuum blasting method sucks its granules by the created negative pressure from the granule container and accelerates the medium to 400 km per hour into the jetlands. Besides graffiti removal, the Tornado ACS can clean floors, facades, bricks and limestones. Lime deposits can be removed efficiently even if the deposits are quite dense. It can also be used on non-slip tiles of swimming pools and thermal baths, where grout cleaning can be an especially arduous task. Boats can also be cleaned and lacquer can be removed before repainting. It's also great for stair, building and fire restoration. The Tornado ACS can also be used for hospital cleaning, especially in surgery rooms where strict regulations apply regarding surface cleaning. Thanks to its closed circulation system, granules and removed pollutions are kept inside of the machine, allowing an optimum cleaning performance. Additionally, the vacuum blasting method can be used for photo engraving on black granite and QR codes on natural stone. There are numerous advantages to vacuum blasting. Anyone can use the Tornado ACS, so special skills or training are not required. The closed circuit of the cleaning machine allows dust-free working, therefore protective clothing and eyewear are not necessary. Plus it can be used in public areas with high foot traffic. It's light, compact, quiet and easy to handle. It's also applicable in frost. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.